In the heart of the forest, the mighty woodpecker begins its day. With its fiery red crest and sharp beak, it taps and drills into the old bark, not just for food, but to carve out its home. This isn't just random pecking, it's nature's carpenter at work, searching for hidden insects, clearing decayed wood, and sometimes even sending out messages through rhythmic drumming. This bird, known as the white-naped woodpecker, plays a vital role in keeping the forest alive, one tap at a time. Where others see a tree, he sees purpose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden tales from nature.